going on high-speed thrill rides here at the Jetcoaster at Benyland. All right. Hard for me to contain my excitement levels right now, but I'm managing it. Liftill's kind of got like a funky beat to it, doesn't it? Everyone's kind of bouncing and shaking just a little bit. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. Big first drop. Huge first drop. Oh, get your freak out on. Here we go. Woo! I actually got to pop up airtime there. Alright guys, so we were so impressed with the insane amount of speed and thrills on this jet coaster that we're bringing you a backseat POV of this ride. That's right. All angles of this awesome roller coaster coming at you in 4K 60 widescreen awesomeness. All right, here we go. First drop. Woo! Through the corkscrews. Oh man, this is what life is all about right here. Riding jet coasters in Japan. Woo! Look at how well the shrubberies have been trimmed. That's right, I'm talking about shrubberies while riding a roller coaster. Woo! And it's all because of this guy right there. He is the shrubbery master, and we are done with this roller coaster.